Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video for a gentleman called Anas. Anas was asking me, how do you balance a folding prop? Now the process to balance the folding prop is the same as any other prop, and I've got loads of videos on that. I'll put links down below. But particularly for things like a fixed wing where the prop is a little bit larger, there's a little bit more mass, it's worthwhile not only balancing side to side but also balancing the hub as well. Loads of people have very dearly held opinions about how to balance a prop, but I find the basics work fine here for FPV, and that's just balancing each side and then making sure that the hub isn't out of balance as well, and that tends to work pretty good. Now I 3D printed a couple of parts here that go each side of my folding prop. This is an Aero Naught folding prop, and this is the same pitch and diameter as the fixed prop that I'm replacing on my AR Wing Pro. And these pieces just make sure that the blades don't fold and hit each other, and also they can't over open and hit the back of the model. Now again, there's a million ways to do this. I just happen to like the 3D printed pieces. Now the big tip I'll give you is, if you are using inserts like this to stop the folding prop over opening or closing and smashing the tips of the blades together, make little marks on one side with something like a Sharpie pen so you know which way it's supposed to go round. And then what I do is I just nip up each of the screws each side that are holding the blades on so that they're not free moving, they become quite stiff. Once it's like that, then I place the hub on the table and just make it so that the tips of each of the blades touch the table, and I know they're in the same position each side, and that's good enough to get everything sorted. Once it's like that, make sure you don't move the blades and put everything together on the spindle for your balancer, pop it on the balancer, and away you go. Don't forget, of course, once you've finished, to slacken off each of the screws each side of the hub, just to make sure that those blades are free enough moving so that they're going to open and fold in airflow. So Anas, hopefully that answers the question for you. There's no real trick here. The trick is just stop the blades from flopping around, and then you can put it on your balancer and away you go. Thank you for watching my video and watching right to the very end. If you want to find out what I'm currently working on, you can follow me on social media by searching for Painless360 in the usual places. If you'd like to become part of the inner circle, then you can become a Patreon. Details are in the description and you get lots of additional benefits. Check out the playlist section on the channel too. I organise all of my videos into playlists, and it's called something like Introduction to or for Beginners. All of the content is aimed so that you can start at the very beginning, and it teaches you that subject, starting with simple principles and moving up to teach you everything you need to know.